Quick, a quick suggestion on this one. You've got to think about the denominator and numerator of a fraction being in parentheses. You have to know what those numbers are before you can do that division. So when you're trying to divide this guy, we need kind of a more complicated method. One method I see a lot of teachers use is the long division method, because it rings a bell of something we did previously in math, elementary or middle school. So we're trying to divide. Notice I put this thing is trying to divide into this. We're trying to see how many times this fits into the stuff up top. So the thing that we're trying to fit into our expression goes on the outside. We're trying to see how many times p plus 6 fits into all this stuff. So what we need to think of is something so that when we multiply it by this p, it turns into p squared, so we can make that subtract, make that cancel out. I know that sounds confusing at first, but if you follow this example and another example, I think you'll get it after looking at it twice. But I'm going to choose p, and it chose p again because p times p gave me p squared. But now I have to multiply through. Now I have to do p times 6. That gives me 6p. That's a positive 6p. And so I'm going to subtract, because p squared plus p squared, that's gone. Now we have 2p subtracted by a positive 6p. That brings us in the whole 4p. We had $2, took away $6. Now we owe $4. And then I'm just going to carry down the 20. And then the process repeats. I'm looking for a number here, so that when it multiplies to the p here, something times p will give me negative 4p to make it cancel out. So actually I need a minus sign. I need to have a negative 4. Because negative 4 times p gives me negative 4p. And again we have to carry through. Negative 4 times 6, negative 24. And since we need to subtract to make negative 4p cancel out with negative 4p, that makes nothing. We have 20 subtracted by a negative 24. 20 subtracted by a negative, that means adding. So 20 plus 24 gives us 44. Okay, so this is it. We're done because there's nothing else we can add here to make this cancel out. This is a remainder. And the way you write your remainders in an expression problem is you divide it by the term you were trying to divide into the original expression. So we had a remainder of 44, so we got 44 divided by p plus 6 to go here.